Yeah, let me start with the idea of a healthy gut. So this has become a very popular topic. If you go on the internet, social media, you'll find hundreds of posts and comments about a healthy gut and the importance and what you can do about it. So a healthy gut is when the systems in what we call the gut connectome are interacting in a harmonious way. So the systems are the immune system, the hormonal system, the nervous system, and the microbial system. If they interact in a way that is not perceived by the immune system as stressful, does not lead to the engagement of the immune system, and essentially keeps the gut healthy in terms of its contractions, its peristalsis, its secretions of fluids and mucus. It's something that you do not see if you do an endoscopy. You cannot say if the gut is not healthy or healthy. But we know from many scientific studies that the interaction of these systems is essential to have a healthy gut. There's also something about a healthy gut which is, again, often talked about. It's the tightness of the isolation of the microbes inside the gut from the immune system. So it's called the gut barrier or the epithelial barrier, or in lay terms, it's called the leakiness of the gut. A healthy gut essentially has a very tight isolation made up of a mucus layer and of a cell layer that has tight junctions that link them all together. So none of the microbial cells come in close contact with any of the immune cells that are located just a micron under the surface. If that barrier is compromised, and most commonly would be compromised by a shrinking thickness of the mucus layer because of an unhealthy diet or chronic stress, then microbes that live in the mucus layer get then close enough to certain immune cells that stick out their sensors into this mucus layer, and that then leads to a sequence of events that ultimately leads to the engagement of the immune system. So a healthy gut functioning well in terms of motility, secretion, blood flow, all the systems being in harmony, the epithelial layer, the barrier being tight, so nothing leaks out into the immune system. That's essentially what a healthy gut is.